Hi guys, I've got a Linklike Bluetooth earphones that I got off Amazon. It's quite popular on there and I like to try it myself and give you guys an honest feedback. Let's see some of the key features. So it is a Fly 9 model and a neckband. So basically it's good for folks that go to the gym and do sports in general. At least you can be guaranteed this is not going to fall off your neck. Some of the key features, as you can see on the box, are a Bluetooth 5.0, 16 hours of playtime, and a dual dynamic driver. Let's open up the box. So this is inside of the box, and I think it comes with the color red only. So if this color is too bright for you, unfortunately, that's the only color I've seen on Amazon. As we can see, we've got a wee manual from the box. And I think it comes in most languages. I'm not gonna bother with that. And there is this card as well. I think it's directly for giving reviews on Amazon and Facebook. I don't care about that. So basically, this has a magnet and it's able to clip together. As you can see, clips together, so you guarantee this is not falling off your neck. And on here, what do we have? Okay, that's the USB port for charging it, and also these are the controls for the volume. It's pretty light, not heavy. I thought it was gonna be very heavy, but it's really light. So you can just hang it around your neck, and that's you sorted. When you open here, I think we've got the charger. That's the USB thing, and the earbuds. So how many earbuds do we have? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I right? 5 or 6? 6. So 6 earbuds, and that's your USB for charging it. So this is the USB charger. Yep. So I will try this product and leave a comment on the comment section. Thanks very much for watching, and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much.